Hi, I'm Annie Smith, and I'm here today to share with you a tip that corresponds with my C&T publication, the Ultimate Applique Reference Tool. In this tip, I'm going to share with you how I choose fabrics so that my applique elements pop off of the background instead of disappearing. In the Ultimate Applique Reference Tool, you'll find a page that shows these two pictures. The designs and the elements are beautifully displayed on the background as opposed to this block in which the fabrics are just too light in value and they match the background so much that they just kind of disappear even after they're stitched. This is a much better example so that you can see all the wings on the dragonflies and the dragonflies itself. So I'll show you what it looks like when you see it on a whole block. This is the block that I was talking about. This is called A Bountiful Harvest, and it's one of the blocks that's in my quilt west of Baltimore, which is pictured in the Ultimate Applique Reference Tool. And so you can see the stems are beautiful, the flowers are beautiful, everything just looks lovely except, oh my goodness, what happened to my vase? It disappears because these two fabrics are so close in value that there is no way to make this brighter or deeper without actually changing the fabric. So let me show you another block that I made, exactly the same, but this one all works. When I chose the fabrics for this block, I really made sure that this vase was going to pop and show and be a complete dimensional picture of the design that I wanted in this block instead of falling away and disappearing. So when you're choosing the fabrics for your applique, always make sure to audition them on the background fabric to make sure that nothing is going to disappear. Have fun with the process.